How to set up X or formerly Twitter for first-time users. If you're using X or Twitter for the first time and you want to get started with it, the first thing you have to do is create an account. Now for easier access, you can always create your account with Google or other accounts if Twitter supports them. But if you want to create a separate account independent to your Google or Apple ID, tap on the Create Account button that you can see over there. On the next page, you simply have to enter your name, as well as the email address that you'd like to use for your Twitter account, as well as also the date of birth. So you can choose your year of your birth, followed by the date and the month, and tap the next option. Then after that, it is going to ask us to verify our email address that will be sent to that email. So you want to go ahead and then open up your email over here. Then just copy the email or the code and then paste it over here and tap the next option. Lastly, you'll have to create a password, and once you've created a password, your Twitter account will be ready for use. This way you can set up Twitter for the first time. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.